Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I just bought a product which is a hair trimmer. Because of this COVID-19, barber shop are not opening, so I have to buy this product and have my hair cut at the house, in the house. This is the box. The brand of this hair trimmer is Enchen. Hummingbird means when you on this trimmer, they had a little hummingbird sound, very light hummingbird sound. So it's very low sound. And this costs around 56 RM from Lazada. So let's unbox this trimmer. What's in the box? A manual, guiding manual. That's all in Chinese, there's no English, so I don't understand Chinese. Then this is the trimmer itself. Look nice. And this is the on off button. And this is the plug where you can charge this trimmer when the battery is low. Put closer so that you can see it. It's a very small size, smaller, slightly smaller than my hand. Okay, and this is the liquid. One liquid. This is the charging cable, USB charging cable. Okay. Then there's 3 size comb trimmer. 3 size trimmer. Let's put this aside, this box aside. Three size trimmer. This is a 1/2 inch trimmer. See? This is a 1 inch trimmer. There's 1.5 inch trimmer, comb trimmer. Okay, and this is the brush, and this is the liquid to clean the trimmer after few time use. Clean it here. Put the liquid, some liquid in, and brush it with this brush to clean it. Maybe there's, after use, there's some hair stick inside here, so use this and trim it to clean it. This on off button. Press it and it's moving. It's working. The trimmer is working now. I can hear the sound, hummingbird sound. is the light operating. One press, stop. It's very easy to use. When low battery, this will turn red. This light. So you need to charge the trimmer with this cable. When charging, plug it in when charging, this light will turn red, blinking. Fully charged, it will turn white, steady white. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you and goodbye.